Hello YouTubers and Instagram marketers. My name is Leon from How to Webmaster, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily download Instagram photos and videos for free without any browser extensions, Chrome extensions, Firefox extensions, apps. To get started, here I am at Instagram, and I've quickly searched for this tag DIY, stands for do it yourself, and say here are some results. So let's download this photo right here. So if you right click, you really can't save it as a picture. So what you can do is make sure you copy this URL, head over to downloadgram.com and just paste in your URL, click download, and then it'll have this download image button here. Click that, and there it is, and that is the photo in HD, high quality photo. So let's go back to here, the results, and let's say you want to download this Instagram video. And once again, you really can't download it by right clicking, saving it. So what you do is, again, just copy the URL, go back to Downloadgram and paste in your video URL, click download, download video, and there it is. It is that easy. Well, I hope this helps. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to subscribe and check back to How to Webmaster for more internet marketing tips and tricks. Until next time, happy marketing.